Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I welcome you in Pakistan International School Taif, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Virtual Learning System Session 2020. I hope you are fine with your family. This is grade 2, subject mathematics, and today we will do page number 77 and 79 and also table of 7. This is video number 29 and I am Mr. Imtiaz Kamar, your maths teacher. Yesterday we did page number 75 and page number 76. Page number 75, remembering tables, mean the questions of multiplication which we done with the help of table. And also at the end of questions there were some instructions to color the pattern, and different types of conditions were given, and according to those conditions we colored the pattern, mean color the answer. In page number 76 was about the division, because we have already done lot of practice of multiplication. So from page number 76 division started, and today we will do page number 77 and 79. 77 page about the multiplication and division facts, and page number 79 is about only division. Okay, so I told you in multiplication and division, in both types of sums, tables are used. So it is very important that you first of all memorize table from 2 to 10. So let us start. This is page number 77, multiplication and division facts. Look this one. These are called multiplication facts. When 4 multiplied 2 is equal to 8, or 2 multiplied 4 is equal to 8. Okay. Also, commutative property is applied here. If you multiply 4 with 2 or 2 with 4, the same answer will come. And these are called division facts. A divided 2 is equal to 4, and 8 divided 4 is equal to 2. Okay. So students, remember, in multiplications, answer is always the bigger than the two numbers. Okay. And in multiplications, the first number is always bigger than the second number and the answer. Okay. It's mean in multiplication, when we multiply first number with second number, so we get the answer. Okay. And in multiplication, if we multiply second number with the answer, so we get the first number. Okay, so remember, in multiplication, answer is, you can say, bigger or biggest than the two numbers. And in the multiplications, the first number is the biggest, then the second number, and the answer. Okay, in multiplication, you can read any table of any number. For example, 4 multiplied 2. If you read the table 4, then 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Or you can read table of 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. No problem. You can read any table of given numbers. But in multiplications, when I say 8 divided 2, so you must read the table of 2. You cannot read the table of 8. Okay? So you read the table of 2. When the answer comes during the table of 2, that 8 come in the answer, then you write that number which are multiplied with the second number. Okay? Like 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. So 8 come. So you write, it's mean our answer is 4. Our answer is 4. So 8 divided 4. Now you read here table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. So our answer is 2. 4 twos are 8. Our answer is 2. Now fill in this table. So here, very simple. First, multiply 5 multiply 3. So read the table of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. And again, now 15 divided 3. First we read the table of 3 and then we answer divided with the second number 3. Okay, 15 divided 3. So read out 3 again. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. So our answer is 5. So now multiply second number with answer. 3 fives are 15. The first number comes. Okay. Second, 3 fives are 15. 3. Now read the table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. So 15 divided 5. Answer is 3. Okay. Now look, this one. 6 multiplied 2. Read table of 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 6 are 12. So what is our answer? 12. So write here 12. Okay. So now 12. Answer divided the second number. 12 divided 2. So read up table of 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 3. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 6 are 12. So it's mean, so in our question, 6 divided 2. 6 divided 2. So we divide the second number with the answer. The first number answer will come. So 12 divided to 6. 12 divided to 6. Now we interchange like the first given example like this. We replace the values. Okay. Now 2 divided. So 2 multiply 6. 2 multiply 6. So same answer 12. Because I told you when we change the place of the numbers in multiplication, so answer remains same. No change in the answer. Now here 12 divided 6. 12 divided 6. So what is the answer? Read the table of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. So 2 answer. 6 twos are 12. 3 sevens are 3 into 7. 3 multiply 7. 3 sevens are, read the table of 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. So our answer is 21. Right here 21. So now 21 divided 7. 21 divided 7. Again, read the table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. So right here, 3, 7 threes are 21. Now change the place, change the order. 3 sevens are, so now 7 threes are. 7 threes are, answer same, 21. 7 threes are 21. So 21, now 21, here 21 divided 7. So in second, 21 divided 3. 21 divided 3. The answer is 7. Okay. So remember, this is cross, this is the sign of multiplication, and this is the sign of division. Next, 8 divided 4. So read the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 sevens are 28, and 4 eights are 32. So right here, 32. Okay. Now here, 32 divided 4. 32 divided 4. So what is the answer? The second number, the first number is answer, mean 8. And now change the order, mean 4 into 8. 4 into 8, again answer will remain same, 32. And now 32 divided 8. 32 divided 8. So what is the answer? 4. Okay. Look this, when 32 divided 4, answer 8. When divided 32 divided 8, answer 4. Okay. Next, 9 multiply 5. 9 multiply 5. Read the table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 7 are 35. And 5 eights are 40. And 5 nines are 45. So right here 45. Here 45 divided 5. What is the answer? What is the first number? 9. Okay. When we divide with second number, answer will come first. When we divide with first number, answer second number. Now to change the order, 5 into 9. 5 into 9, 45. Now answer with divided with the first number. What is first number? 9. And the answer is 45 divided 9, 5. Means read the table of 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. Okay. So 9 fives are 45. 7 fours are, read the table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 six are 24. 4 sevens are 28. So sevens are 28. And here 28 divided 4. 28 divided 4. What is the answer? 7. 7 fours are 28. And now change the order, 4 into 7. First 7 into 4, then 4 into 7, 28. And here 28 divided 7. What is the answer? 4. Okay. So this is the practice of the division. So in the next page, we will do multiplication, division, not the multiplications. Division using the number line. You can use the number line. How many jumps of 4 can Bunny make from 20 back to 0? 20 back to 0. Mean total 20. So how many jump? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. It's mean Bunny can make 5 jumps of 4. Say 20 divided by 4 equal to 5. Write 20 divided 4 is equal to 5. It's mean you come back from the 20 up to 0. Or how many times? In how many jump? In every 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. So how many jump total? 5. Over answer is 5. And secondly, you just read the table. Look, B part. Complete this using the number line below. So this is the number line, this number line. Okay. So 27 divided 3. So this is the 27, and then come 3 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so it's mean bunny jumps 9 times. It's mean our answer is 9. So secondly, you read the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27. So this is a two-way. Which one you can easily, but in exam there is no line. Without line you will do, and with the help of the table you will do. C part, 18 divided 9. Where is 18? 18 mean jump, and 1 times how many points you will take for them? 9. So from 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 9. It's mean 2. In 2 jumps, bunny will reach in on 0. Okay, so it's mean 2 is answer. And second, read the table of 9. 9 ones are 9, and 9 twos are 18. 9 twos are 18. 12. Where is the 12? This is the 12. So check in how many jumps when he can reach in on 0. So 12. And in 1 jump, how many points he will cover? 3 points. So 12, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in 4 jumps, when he will reach on 0, so it's mean our answer is 4. And second, read the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 fours are 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So our answer is 4. Okay. So I think you do with the help of table. So 6. Read the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, and 6 threes are 18. So 18 come when we multiply with 3. So it's our answer is 3. 20 divided 2. Read the table of 2. And till continue reading when 20 comes. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, and 2 tens are 20. 2 10. 2 tens are 20. Okay. G part. 14 divided 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. So 14 come when we multiply with 2. It's mean 2 is our answer. 17. 7 twos are 14. H part. 16 divided 8. So read the table of 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. So 8 twos are 16. I told you in multiplication, the first number is product of the second number and the answer. It's mean when we multiply second number with answer, so we get the first number. 28 divided 4. Read the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28. So 4 7. Our answer is 7. J part. 12 divided 2. Read the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12. 2 6 are 12. K part. 16 divided 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16. 2 eights are 16. Our answer is 8. 7 divided 7. 7 ones are 7. What is the answer? 1. 10 divided 10. 10 ones are 10. 10 come. No, our answer is 1. 9 divided 9. 9 divided 9. 9 ones are 9. Again, our answer is 1. 20 divided 4. 20 divided 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 fives are 20. Our answer is 5. 15 divided 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 fives are 15. 3 fives are 15. Our answer is 5. 25 divided 5. 25 q part. 25 divided 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. So 25 comes in the table of 5, and when we multiply with 5, so our answer is 5. Or 24 divided 6. Read the table of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. So 24 comes when we multiply 6 with 4. It's mean our answer is 4. 21 divided 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. So 21 comes when we multiply 7 with 3. So it's mean our answer is 3. 18 divided 2. So read the table of 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 six are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. So 18 comes when we multiply 2 with 9. So it's mean our answer is 9. 30 divided 3. Read the table of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 six are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. So 30 come when we multiply 3 with 10. So our answer is 10. So boys, look, I told you in divisions, the first number is greatest, then the second number, and the answer. Okay, if your answer is greater than the first number, it means your answer is wrong. So your answer always smaller than the first number. Your second number also already smaller than the first number, and your answer also should smaller than the first number in multiplication. Okay, if you can say when we multiply second number with the answer, we get the first number. Okay, this is your check when you divide. For example, here a divided 2, you read the table of 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Okay, so if you want to check, you again read the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So if the 8 come when you multiply with 2 with the second number, if the first number come, it means your answer is right. If not come first number not come, it means your answer is wrong. Okay, so be careful. Okay, boys. Now the table in the last video we practiced table 6, and today table 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 fives are 35. 7 six are 42. 7 6 are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. 7 nines are 63. 7 tens are 70. 7 tens are 70. 7 elevens are 77. 7 elevens are 77. 7 twelves are 84. 7 12s are 84. Okay, read with me. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6 are 42. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. 7 10s are 70. 7 11s are 77. 7 12s are 84. Okay, boys? Practice this one at home. Now your homework, to page 77 and 79 in your book, and write the table of 7 in the notebook. Table of 7. Okay. Page number, this is 77 page. This is page number 79. And this is the table of 7. Okay. Write like this. Write in the lines, make table, and then write inside the columns and the row. Okay, guys, I hope you understand, and you, inshallah, you will enjoy this video, and you will learn a lot of things. Multiplication, you will learn the divisions and also table. Okay, take care, stay at home. Inshallah, I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.